Here we have a new tripod. This is really cool aluminum design, and this has a lot of flexibility. We're just going to kind of demonstrate today what this tripod could do. We've got the mobile phone mount attached. And this is really cool attachment that's included, and has the easy quick release, and then you can just easily adjust the angle of your recording device. So fits all the way from large to standard size phone, and really flexible. So for mounting, it's this easy. Just kind of pull out, let it snap back in there, and then you're fully nice and tight to where you can hold it and get your different angles. So you're able to adjust up and down. So you can kind of use this lever, and you have a really long extension if you need a shot from the above, and then you can adjust this way, which will allow you to look down, or of course you can look up into the sky. So it gives you lots of flexibility, and all locking mechanism. So you can just release the lock and bring it down to the desired level. And as you can see, you get a really high full extension. You can always adjust these at every level, so you can come down to any size that you like, and it just has a nice quick release, and you can relock at any size. And then you have all your other adjustments. So we have the remote control with the phone, and you can use this for a great portrait camera, and shoot your pictures with your remote control in your phone with the Bluetooth device, and gives you connectivity. And really cool heavy duty design. Has nice smooth and padded grips at the top, so you'll always get a good grip on that nice smooth padding, and lets you hold and balance it. And if you notice on this, the feet are double reinforced, and they're all flexible, so nice and big, and you can kind of set it and get a good grip on any type of surface. So that's all part of the design. And we're going to take this off, and we're going to try out a regular camera, and we'll just use our adapter for the camera. So just make a quick switch and try the camera. So with the camera, you just put the quick mount adapter on, and all your standard screw mount cameras. And that'll just auto lock on there, keep it nice and straight. And then you can just use the quick release again. And just that quick, you're all reconnected. So it fits really nice and holds the heavier cameras just fine. It's able to adjust the full angles, and the lifting, we can release the lock on the lift and raise the camera, and the gears drive that no problem. It's a really awesome tripod, lots of flexible uses, and really supportive, and can help protect all your camera equipment and any type of device you're shooting on it. This tripod is super sturdy and able to provide an exciting shooting experience.